Hi friends, today I am going to open Moonlight Planet humidifier. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description. It is also utilized for deep sleep. Let's see how to use it. First we should assemble the brackets. It should be charged. For the first button it will be like a bed lamp. For the second button it will be lightly like white. And third button it will be still darker. If we will again click on it, it will be offed. We should pour 50 ml of water. I am using sandalwood. It is like a fragrance. After opening it, we should pour 5 drops in it. We should mix it very well. After mixing, connect the supply. We can change our lights by clicking on the button. By clicking on another button, the fragrance will come out from it. By again clicking on that button, the steam will be on and offed. Again, if we click the button, the steam will be totally offed. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.